What's up, everybody? How you feeling? I'm just going to give you some behind the scene footage of me updating my gospelswagshop.com. This is how it looks right now. That's the store, gospelswagshop.com. So I'm going to go ahead and update this image right here. So first thing I do is I logged into my Shopify right here, and I click in this section, right? So when I click in this section, it gives me the code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that code, choosing Control A to select it all, and then Control C to copy it. Then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up Chat GPT, and I'm going to say, can you replace the hero image with this image? Okay, so now what I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and go over. This is behind the scenes, by the way, family, so I might make a few mistakes here and there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the image that I want to put. So let me show you the image that I'm looking to put up there. See if I can get it for you. That's the image there. So I think I downloaded it already. Yes, I believe I downloaded it. So now I need to put it, let's see, let me go here. I need to make sure I download the image. Okay, so there it is right there. And now I need to upload it so it has its own URL. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Shopify. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is, let me turn this TV down. Sorry about that. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to exit that. Then I'm going to go to my content. And then I'm going to click files. And then I'm going to upload the image. So I'm going to go ahead and go to upload files. I'm going to choose Gospel Swag Sweatshirt. Okay. So once this image is uploaded, it gives me a URL for that image. And that's when I could project it onto my website. Okay, so there it is right there. It's a PNG. I should have did a JPEG, but that's fine for now. All right, so let's go ahead and copy the link. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, can you replace this hero image? Can you replace the hero image with this image? So I need to say, can you replace the hero image in the existing code with this image? Okay, so then I'm going to say, here is the code. All right, so I'm going to go back and get the code, which is, let's go back to, let me see, let me open up another Shopify. I'll just go back and forth. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the online store. Okay, then I'm going to click edit theme. Click in the section I want to change, which is right here. Let's see, where's it at? Okay, header. I'm going to click on the, let's see what happened here. I'm going to go to header. Let's see. Okay, boom. All right, let's go here. I told you it's behind the scenes, so let me see. I need to select this section here. Why is it not giving me the code? Okay, product information. All right, let's go ahead and refresh this thing. All right, so I'm going to go to edit theme. All right, oh, there it is. That's what I need to click on, custom liquid, which gives me the code for this section. So I'm going to go ahead and Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, go back to ChatGPT, say here's the code. All right, and then I got to go back and get the image URL, which I'm going to go to content, files, and then I'm going to grab this URL here. This is the link. All right, so what did I say? Can you replace the hero image in the existing code with this image? Here's the code. And then I'm going to say, here's the image link. Here is the image link. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit enter. So now what ChatGPT is going to do is going to replace, let's see, hold up a minute. This is a super clean swap, no layout or style changes needed at all. All right, so what's being updated? Only the hero image, and then I need to change the link too, but I'll do that later. Updated code, image replaced. Okay, so now ChatGPT went in and replaced this image with the other image that I showed you, which is right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and shrink that down. Let's go back and get the code. Okay, pro tip, optional upgrade if you want this hero image to feel more universal, not tied to one product. Consider linking the image to a collection page. Oh, that's a brilliant idea. Changing CTA text to shop the collection. I like that. I might do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy the code. All right, and then what I'm going to do is go back to the store. Okay, go to edit theme, and then we're going to go to the custom liquid, and we're going to take that code and we're going to select it and replace it with the new code. So then our new image should pop up, which is fire. So we're going to hit save. So now I'm going to say, that looks really nice. I'm going to say shop this, what should I say? Shop the collection. We don't have a collection though. Maybe I'll just put shop now. Let me ask ChatGPT. I'm going to say, I like your pro tip, but we don't have a collection of this sweatshirt, but we do have a collection section. What would be your suggestion? Suggestion for the CTA. You're thinking the right way. This is exactly how you move from product focus to brand focus without confusing people. You've got a collection section, not a single sweatshirt collection, so the CTA should do 3 things. Feel inclusive, not tied to one item, invite exploration, still feel action driven and faith forward. Let's walk this out step by step. Best CTA direction, my top recommendation, shop the collection. Okay. All right. And it says, boom, boom, okay. Strong faith forward alternatives. Explore the swag. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I like that. My strategic suggestion, best of both worlds. Let's consider this combo. Button text, shop the collection. Supporting copy already explains the mission. That way, the copy ministers, the CTA converts, the image inspires. Quick implementation tip, just swap this line in your code, shop this hoodie, with shop the collection, okay? And point the link to your collection section. All right, so let me go ahead and get my collection section here. Let me see, I think I have collections. Let me find it. I got view all here. Maybe I'll do that. I think to the latest drops. I'm going to tell them, let me see, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I have an idea. What if I link it to the latest drops section? I kind of like that idea better. That idea is solid, like strategy level solid. Linking the hero to latest drops is actually a power move. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. So CTA button, shop the latest drops. Okay, cool. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to home page, and we're going to make this say shop the latest drops, and we're going to link this image to the latest drops. So now to get the latest drops, get this button to link to that, we need to get the URL. So here's our latest drops URL right here. I'm going to copy that. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, can you change the button in the code to say shop the latest drops and link the image, link the hero image and CTA button to this URL. Oops, I typed in the wrong thing. I want to do that. Okay, so let's go, and then I'm going to say, please give me the entire code. Because sometimes when you make a change, it just tells you to paste it in, but I'd rather have the entire code so I don't have to go figure out how to paste anything in there. All right, so here's our full updated code ready to paste. That's what I want. Okay. Okay, it's still printing everything out. Before, you have to pay hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for a coder to do this. So thank God for ChatGPT. All right. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go copy code. And we're going to go over here. I'm going to copy all this code. I'm going to select it, delete it, and Control V. And now we got shop the latest drops, and we're going to click save. So now this button and this picture should link to our latest drop. So let's go ahead and view our home page. That's a nice picture. I like that. And we're going to hit the image. Takes us to our latest drops. Let's go back to home page. Shop the latest drops. Should go to the same page. I like it. All right, family. So there we go. That was our mission, was to upgrade our image right here. I really like that image. I'm thinking in the future, maybe what I might do is when you hover over the image, make it rotate to like, well, maybe not. Maybe I might do like an automatic rotate where it's just kind of like a slider. But for now, we're going to leave it like that. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. If this video has given you any value or helped you with your Shopify store, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.